Hola, ¿cómo están? I am doing a Mexican slime review today, y'all. If y'all don't know, I'm Mexican, so like, I'm excited. This whole shop is Mexican themed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button, comment down below.
Speaking of slime, I want to thank each and every person who has reviewed my slime kit, whether it's just you showing it in a video or you reviewing it, the good and the bad. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you to the comments, the criticism, honestly, all of that. I take all of that into consideration for future projects, so thank you guys so much for that. This thank you is definitely overdue, let's be real. I launched this slime kit months ago, but I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate you so much. It's people like you guys that will help me shape and better my brand, so thank you. Thank you to my friend Marianne, thank you to Miss O Friends, Today with Trace, Shibli Smiles, Sly Fox Family, Our Family Nest, Parenting in Progress, Lusha Floor, Denver Housewife, All Four Reborns, Southern Mamas, Annie Rose, my good friend Rebecca's Molo, DIYs by Abraham, Nicole Jacqueline, the Navalua Family, Penny Shop, Scott and Camber, Clark's Condensed, 24/7 Moms, From Moms to Grandma, Rage Against the Minivan, Mommy Katie, B2 Cute Cupcakes, Magic Box Toys Collector, The Toy Reviewer, Tiffany Reviews, The Life of Us Vlogs, Evie's Toy House, A Life in the Fashion Lane, Michelle's Comments, Dr. T ASMR, Amy Mascot, ASMR Power of Sound, Toys Unlimited, Busy Toy Show, Emma Mondin, Kelly Maple, Nerdy Crafter, Brianna Renee, PS Toy Reviews, Ed B Family, Sophia Perret, at Target Life, or anybody else who has ever reviewed my slime kit. I'm gonna make sure to link all these videos down below in the description box. Go ahead and check those videos out if you're thinking of purchasing my slime kit. Thank you guys so much once again, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on to this video.
Alright, so the slime shop is Slime Vida, like slime life, but in Spanish, Slime Vida, you get it? Alright, so I actually don't remember what I got. See how big this is? Like, honey. Ooh. Okay, first of all, like, this looks so cute already. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on, there's a note. So it's just a note, a sweet note, and then it says what's in it. I don't know, I'm shook right now. There's a freaking piñata in here. This is so cute. So these are marshmallows. I'm assuming they're they're Mexican marshmallows. Oh my gosh, I kind of want one now. Let me get one. Dang. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's like little unicorn marshmallows. Do you want one? Here you go. Wait, let's try again. Boom. All right, next up. So we got a piñata. Is there candy in here? This is literally, there's candy in here. Oh my gosh, mustaches. This is so cute. This candy is my life. So this candy, if you don't know what it is, it's like a chili, but a little sweet, salty. I don't know how to explain it. You see that little guy, how there's like stuff coming out of his head? It's like his hair, but like you squeeze it, like you squeeze down, and like the top of his head, which you're eating his hair basically. What's this? Oh my gosh, a sweater? This is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. Slime Vida, literally slime life. All right, what is this? They're buttons. Oh wow, I've never seen these. Is it just me? I've never seen candy buttons. That's so cool. That's so random, but like so cute, you know? Ooh, and there's raspberry, lemon, orange, cherry. Oh my god, what is this? It's a freaking little card. Oh my gosh, I'm literally dying. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I think it's so cute and funny. It's literally like a shop, like it's a little shopping cart with slimes inside of it. It's so cute. It literally functions. Like, what the heck? Like, this is insane. Oh my gosh, this is I can't take it. All right, what else have we got in here? What is this? Oh, just like a cute pom-pom. Okay. And there's another pom-pom in here. It's just like a bunch of pom-poms, I guess, just like for the packaging. So cute. So the rest is slimes, but this looks like we got something else here. It's so colorful, so cute. What is this? Mexican candy. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what is this? Oh my gosh. Are you joking? This is so cute. I just can't take it. You guys, I'm having like the best time ever unboxing this right now. Like, this is amazing. We got some chili mango lollipops. This is so cute. Down here, oh, it's like a care sheet. It has the instructions, I'm assuming, and it also has like a borax baggie in there to fix your slime. This is so cute. I can't. Okay, slimes. Okay, let's get the slimes out. Wow. The wrapping, first of all, is so adorable. Sprinkles? Wow. Is that it? Okay, so this is all the slime, and let's just get started. We'll start off with this one, I guess. Oh, all right, so this one is, ooh, Sana Sana. Oh my gosh, it's a frog? Yeah, it's a frog. Oh my gosh, so Sana Sana, colita de rana means like, it's like a little like song that you sing to someone when they get hurt, and then you say Sana Sana, colita de rana, whatever, and it's like you heal them supposedly. I can't, this is like childhood memories, I'm dead. Got a little squishy frog. They kind of like, ooh. Whoa, this slime is thick, dude. This has been sitting for like a good week or two, and when that happens, usually the slime melts a little bit. I'm kind of shocked at how thick it is. It's so thick. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you see how thick that is? Oh my gosh, this is insane. A little frog. So cute. Wow, I'm impressed. All right, next up we got, oh my gosh, this is so cute. You guys, this is a concha. It's a Mexican bread. Pan dulce pink is what the name of this is. It's a cloud slime. Oh my gosh, this is like perfect, y'all. Let me smell this. Oh my gosh. Wow, it smells like legit pan dulce. Pan dulce is basically sweet bread, and then these are like so popular, like so cute, like I just can't. Whoa, this is good. Wow, okay. Okay, this is amazing cloud slime. I literally am speechless right now. I don't have words. All right, so next up is, ooh, it's a little heart. I think this was just like an extra slime. It looks like it has like crushed up peanuts, like packing peanuts. Next up, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, you prepare to be shook. Round of applause, honey. Like I can't. You are seriously so amazing and creative. This is mangoes and chili. I want to scream and jump around. So we got the chopped mangoes in there, which is like the jelly cube. And then there's glitter in there to like as a chili. And then there's a red glitter as like chili. Oh my gosh. And then it literally looks like one of those little like fruit cups. This is so cute. Like I just can't. Let's add a little chili powder. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. I can't take it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I just can't. The slimes are so thick. It's always scary when you get clear slime because a lot of the times they melt. Wow, this is beautiful. I would have never thought like chili, like glitter. I'm in slime heaven right now. I knew this was gonna be good, but I'm legit shook right now. This is my favorite so far because it's just so cute. Come on, like wow. All right, next up we got, is this candy or is this slime? Okay, honestly, like I am shaking in my boots. Like this is crazy. So there's a slime in here. So it's part of the packaging. Pelon themed. It's literally called chile dulce pelon. I don't know if it's like mango-y. This is the crazy part. Like that's how it looks. This is so wild. Just look at that. Wait, it has something in there too. I think it has like fake snow, but it has a tiny bit, like enough where you could see it and where it changes the texture like in a cool way. It feels so good, but it feels chewy. The packaging is on point. Okay, so I think you're supposed to put this in here because that's what you do with a candy, like you squeeze it out. So crazy. It looks like the candy. I'm so excited because I know it looks exactly like it. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it so bad. All right, next up we got, this looks like it's like a mermaid something. It has a little mermaid tail. This charm is so cute. I'm speechless. This is gorgeous. This is the prettiest slime I think I've seen in my life. Like not even exaggerating right now. This is crazy. If I had a big batch of this, I would be shook. so good. Every single slime has wowed me, like every slime. All right, we got 3 left. Oh my gosh, Cutie Weedy Bam Bam. This is so cute. This is literally inspired by the Selena song. This is like goals. Actual slime goals. Oh my gosh, it has, okay, the little charms. So we got little lips, like, you know, the red lips, like, oh my gosh. The music though, oh my god. This is the cutest thing ever in the slime. Like, y'all know she's famous for that, like, that outfit, you know, like purple suit thingy. It smells like flowers. It smells so good. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I feel like this is like one of the best packages I have ever opened. The glitter. I am so glad that I decided to do a video just on this box, like, cause this one would have other slime shops shaking. Like, I'm sorry, but the scent is everything. Like, I just can't even, I don't know how to describe it. It's like flowers and like a scent from Bath and Body Works. So good. So this one is Barbie Besitos, which means Barbie kisses. Ah, I just can't. This is so cute. I just can't take it. Ooh. Lotion, like kind of flowers in a bit. Look how pretty that is. The gloss. Definitely thick. I am like living for these thick slimes, y'all. Oh my gosh, so last but not least, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, so this is fresas con crema, which is basically strawberries and cream. It fits so perfectly and stuff. I feel like this is like legit actual like containers that people like put little fruit cups in, I don't know. Wow, that smells so good. Oh, thick, honey. Wow, super thick. The cube soaked up the slime. And it's like so thick that it feels like they're almost like gonna fall out. I feel like there's like lotion in here or something. It feels so good. It has some instant snow in there. This is so adorable. That's it. Oh my gosh. That was so exciting. And these are all the slimes that I got. Honestly, I've never been so excited for a slime. Maybe because like, you know, like my culture and everything. And it was just like, I don't know, it was a really different. I can't wait to buy so many more slimes from this shop. Like, y'all, like, I'm honestly so impressed. I think my favorite ones are definitely the concha, the pan dulce pink. The mangoes and chili one is like so amazing. I don't even know what to say. I'm shook. You are amazing, honey. You are slaying my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun opening these and there's just like so much meaning to them. I don't know, I'm just in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. You know, comment down below what your favorite slime shop is. Do you guys have any like favorite slime shops that I should know about? Let me know which ones I should go check out. Thanks for watching once again. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!